Hey everyone, welcome back to Typical Tech. In this video, I will be reviewing the Strikepack FPS Dominator after 1 year of usage. Now, the cool thing about this controller is the fact that it will simply work out of the box with no need to modify or purchase a new controller. All you need to do to set it up is to grab the Strikepack add-on and plug it into the micro USB port placed above your controller. Then you can just clip it into the small speaker on your controller above the home button. Now you have set up the controller, you have a couple of extra features. The main one, and the reason I personally purchased this, was because of the paddles which are added to the back of your controller. This is very similar to many expensive controllers such as Scuf. The second feature that has been added is the possibility to use mods to give you a huge advantage in games. Before we start the main review, I will be focusing on the paddles and the competitive aspects of the controller, as I haven't really used the mods. If you're interested in a review of the mods, I will be happy to do a short review and tutorial of them. Having the controller in your hands, it is very comfortable. Personally, the way I hold my controllers, my fingers naturally rest on the paddles on the back, which makes playing games such as Call of Duty very intuitive. Since you are watching this video, I assume that you're interested in competitive gaming, and this controller is great for people who are just starting and have a limited budget. When you first turn on the controller, it enters tournament mode, which is signified by a white light. Although this doesn't allow you to use mods such as rapid fire, I would still assume LAN tournaments wouldn't allow you to compete due to the fact that you can easily exit tournament mode. Using this controller inside games is great. Personally, I do not notice any delay in the past year of usage. I have only disconnected 2 or 3 times, which would be the same with using a wireless controller. This has definitely improved my skills in games, and there are plenty of videos on YouTube showcasing their skills and playing with a handcam. Although my review has mostly been focused on the positives, there are definitely some negatives, and personally, I think the worst negative is the mic quality through the add-on. Your headset will produce a constant buzz while plugged in through the add-on, and this won't be a problem if using a USB mic. Another issue is the fact that the strike pad must remain plugged in at all times. It would be nice if they released a wireless adapter or add-on with wireless support. Speaking about the cable, the included wire is definitely the best micro USB cable I own. It is around 3 meters and very heavy duty. In conclusion, would I recommend it? Yes, I would. If you plan to play more competitively or want to stop playing claw, the paddles are great at keeping your reaction times fast and your comfort high. The only thing I would like to say involving this add-on is once you get used to playing with it, it is very difficult to play without it, and then you end up carrying a huge wire around to friends' houses. But of course, this will be the case with any controller add-on. If this video was in any way helpful, I would really appreciate a like, and if you think I could improve on anything, please go ahead and comment. And I will be releasing many new videos in the future, so please feel free to subscribe and help my channel out. Thank you very much.